What is GitHub? Simply, it's a service that allows you to manage your scripts and your codes and to collaborate with other people on the same projects. For example, this is my profile. I created a lot of projects and pushed to GitHub, uploaded to GitHub. Now people can check, they are open source, like this repository here, this code here, the image background remover. I published it, it's open source. Anyone can access this code, contribute, collaborate with me on it, and so on. Now what I want you to know mainly about GitHub is you can manage your code from different places. This is the first use case. For example, you are at home and you create an application, a script, you upload to GitHub, and then you can access from anywhere else. Maybe you traveled, maybe you went to your office. You can also pull that code again and work on it, so you can work on the same project from different places or work with your team or with other people on the same project. So it's for collaboration and code management. There's a lot of details here in GitHub, but for now I want you to know only this. You can manage your code, back up your code if you want to the cloud, and collaborate with others on the same source code, on the same scripts.